Hey guys, so today I want to talk about one of my favorite face masks out there. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and this mainly clears up pores, absorbs oil, and mainly just helps you clear up impurities. And I really like this face mask. I have normal to dry skin, and I find that usually clay charcoal face masks are super harsh for my skin. And this is an exception because it doesn't irritate my skin and it doesn't dry out my skin. So I usually use this once a week just to clear up my pores and my impurities, and it really helps me clear my skin out. And I really like it because I don't have to use that much. I just put it on my T-zone, and I really like this product. If you struggle with clogged pores, or you just want your skin to detoxify from all the impurities that clog in your pores, this is definitely a product that will help you out. So what I usually do is I grab about this much and I put it in my T-zone, like my nose, these pores over here. I'll show you. This is how I usually apply it. I don't apply it all over my skin because I don't find it necessary, but I really like this product because it really helps reduce the appearance of my pores, and it also absorbs all of the oil that's clogged in my pores. So definitely I love this product. Once a week I use it religiously, so I'm gonna let this product dry and I'll come back in a few. Hey guys, so it's been about 15-20 minutes and it's all dried up, and I'm gonna remove it. I usually just remove it with some water, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah guys, I just removed the face mask and I can already tell a difference from my pores. They look tinier, and I can feel them not as much in the texture of my skin, and my skin feels super soft. It almost feels like I put moisturizer on, which is crazy to say from a charcoal mask, which usually clay charcoal masks strip all the moisture from my skin, which this definitely does not do. And I can my nose literally looks like I just went into a cleansing facial. It's crazy. So yeah, if you want your own at-home facial for nothing a price tag a facial, definitely get your hands on this product. I recommend it a lot, and I know you guys will like it as much as I do, so definitely try this out.